Today I'm going to take you along with me on how I batch some of my content. I do this for both my own personal content and for client content. So today we are going through and creating content for Tella's YouTube account, which you're probably watching this on Tella, so very meta once again. But this is how we set up the content creation system. I create a video every single day for them, so it's a lot of content and a lot of planning. But when I batch content together like this, it makes it super fast and easy. So the way that this works for videos for clients is that we go through and I will brainstorm some ideas for videos, and then the client will approve those ideas based on like what they want to have on their channel. Then we do some in-depth keyword research, just trying to figure out, if the title needs some tweaking, what topics to touch on within that video, and just bulk up the keywords that we're going to use in the title, the description, and the thumbnail, and then decide on our tags for the video as well. So we do all of that before an outline is ever written. The next step is that we actually outline the video. So those for me are usually just bullet points. And then I sit down and I film the video. I take photos of myself for the cover images on the YouTube channel, and then I edit it all together and get it scheduled. I do have a template for this Notion content planner, so if you want a link to that, I will list it down below. And this is just kind of the process. So when I am batching stuff, I like to use index cards. Even though we have it all in Notion, this is just helpful for me to have like a manual checklist to make sure I'm doing everything. So I wrote the title or the topic of the video, and then I wrote out, the order that I want to do those in. And then each one has the date that's going to be posted. And I have just a quick checklist of, did I take a cover photo? Did I film the content? Did I check the audio was working properly? Did I trim it and, watch through all the trims to make sure it's making sense? Did I update the layout in Tella to, make sure the transitions are smooth? And then did I create the Canva graphic to upload as the cover photo? So these are just my little checklists that help me. I'm on video number 2, so let's go ahead and finish up filming this video, and that way we can move on to video number 3. Okay, I just finished up that video, and now I need to do a second video here. So while I wait, I'm going to charge up my microphones because they are getting low on battery. And while those charge a little bit, I'm going to make sure that I save this Tella video to the appropriate spot. I'm also going to watch it through really quickly to make sure that all of the audio sounds consistent, and I choose to remove any of the silences. This is a really great way to just quickly edit the video before I get too far into editing, and that allows me to just go through and quickly make sure that the audio is all consistent. Okay, so it all sounds consistent, which is great. So I have my little checklist here. So I got the content created, I checked the audio that it sounds good, I did the initial trimming, and I already took a picture for the cover of this video. So this one is done for now because I batch all the graphics together and all the edits together after. So this one's done, I'll put it in the back. And now we can get started on the next one after a quick outfit change. So I like to just try to switch my outfits subtly so that way it's not super obvious that I'm filming these all in the same day. Okay. And now you guys all know the secret when you're watching some of these videos. A lot of them are filmed in the same day, so sorry to break the illusion here, but this is how content creators get it all done. Next video is also going to be about Notion, so I'm going to keep my Notion page open here, and we are just going to jump in right where we left off. All right, we're done with video number 2. My mics are dying and almost dead, and it's hot in here because I have to shut my door and turn off my fans to film. So we're gonna take a quick break. I'm gonna turn the fans back on, get everything charged up, and then we'll keep going. Video number 4 is the video that I am filming right now. Kind of ironic, basically just explaining how we make content. So I'm going to take some some pictures for the cover photo here, but I'm just checking these off as I go. Okay, finished filming all of the content for today with the exception of this video, but now I need to go in and edit. So I like to do my preliminary edits in Tella just with the AI trimmer. That will remove any silences and just get rid of some of those buffers at the beginning and end of the filming. And then I'll go through and watch each one, make all the little cuts, take out things that are not necessary, all the fluff, and then I will create the custom layouts and add backgrounds and borders and all the fun stuff. Once I'm done editing, then I download the transcript and I use that to help me generate a YouTube description. I'll also use that to get like the little time cards so I can mark out, when certain things are discussed in the video. And then we upload it all to YouTube, put in the description, put in the title, make the cover in Canva, and we're good to go. So I took a photo of the background before taking any other photos. And basically I just make this really, really bright. And then I blur the background slightly just to give it a little bit of a different look. Sometimes I will flip the background around, or I'll crop it in a bit more just to give it a little bit of a different look to it. And then I will take the cutout of my face and add that in. So for this one, for example, I'm just going to warm up my skin a bit so I don't look so cold, and add a little bit of brightness back in. And then I can move this behind the text, and I'm just going to say, let's see what this looks like flipped. Yeah, I think I like that a little bit better. This right here, this is like the best feeling ever. They are all scheduled and ready to go. All right, it is 7:30 p.m. So we finally made it. All of the videos are scheduled or uploaded. Of course, not this one, but I will be working on editing this one tonight, and that is 6 videos completed. Hope that was helpful to see some of the behind the scenes, the workflow. I'm a stay-at-home mom. Both of my kids are home with me all day, so being able to batch things like this is really helpful when I do have sitters or extra hands, because this is how I make my job work. I'll have all of the things linked below that you saw in this video, and I'll also have my channel linked if you're curious about checking out my videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.